Grimy and greasy kitchen countertops, we can turn to orange essential oils. Orange essential oils are a natural degreaser. They have antiseptic and antifungal properties, and they also make the kitchen smell good. Hi, welcome to The Cleaning Habit. I'm Michelle, and today I'm going to show you how to make our own natural degreaser with orange essential oils. Let's build our cleaning habits together. For more cleaning tips, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you stay updated with habit-forming cleaning videos.
The materials we need are 1.5 cup of warm water, 1.5 teaspoon of dish soap, 20 drops of orange essential oil, and a spray bottle. To make your cleaning solution, start by adding in your warm water, then your dish soap, and then your orange essential oil. Don't forget to swish to combine the ingredients. Spray the solution on your kitchen countertop or stovetop. Wipe it down with a cloth sponge or a microfiber cleaning cloth. We used our antibacterial and eco-friendly dishwashing sponge. This sponge has a scrubber on one side and a microfiber cleaning cloth on the other side. We used the microfiber cloth side. For stubborn grime and grease, leave the solution for 15 minutes or try scrubbing with a non-abrasive cloth sponge.
Learning how to make our own cleaning solutions is so empowering. I hope you enjoyed our video today. For more cleaning tips, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, follow us on our Facebook page, our Instagram, and visit our website at www.thecleaninghabit.com. Happy cleaning!